Okay, here we are. We are at the company that has their own superhero. I'm at Polyvance down in Alabama, and I'm here with Kurt, and he's going to give us a tour of the facility.
Kurt Landman. Hey, you bet.
So this is the coolest place. Okay, we're going to take a quick look around. Follow me.
All right.
So plastic repair has been something that I've been familiar with in collision repair for a long time. And these guys are at the top of their game. They're doing instructional classes right now for a major MSO. They manufacture a lot of stuff in-house. They've figured this out, man. They've cracked the code on plastic repair. So why is that important? It's important because every car has a bunch of plastic on it, right?
Right. There's a lot of plastic on the cars. They're going to be more and more plastic on cars. So
yeah.
We have been focused on nothing but plastic repair for the last 40 years.
Well, and it's super important because it's an easy substrate to work with when you know what to do with it.
Right.
And it's lightweight, so for manufacturers, it's a really nice go-to.
Yeah.
But yeah, so explain to me a little bit what you've got going here.
Well, our mission is to help people repair plastic, and our focus is plastic welding. And since most of the plastics on the cars are polypropylene, we have got a wide variety of polypropylene welding rods that you can use to fusion weld plastic bumpers, headlight tabs, all the stuff that's under the hood. When you open the hood, everything black under there is going to be mostly polypropylene. So we've got a wide variety of polypropylene welding rod.
And the repair of components, if you get a headlight assembly that costs $800, wholesale cost,
yeah,
and a tab's broken off of it, are you going to replace it or are you going to repair it? For me, you know, I'm a collision repair guy. I'm going to want to at least know how to replace it. And if I'm a shop owner, there's a way to make margin, and we can get that customer back on the road again. So that's
Yes.
the biggest benefit I see for Polyvance, is that you teach shops how to do high quality repairs, but also to service the customer. So your customers are serving customers better.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, we provide not only the product, but the training as well.
Yeah.
So that's really important because a lot of people think, oh, plastic, we can't fix that. But yeah, it's actually really easy to repair if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, and if you know me at all, training is super important. It's my wheelhouse. It's what I do. It's what's led me down all these other paths in media and things like that. It's super important. So very cool to meet you guys and the focus that you have on the training.
Great, thank you. Well, come on back. Let's go see how we make the nitrogen plastic welders. That's our nitrogen plastic welding is something that we pioneered in the industry back in 2011. So we've been doing it 11 years now, and we've got the top level nitrogen plastic welder in the industry. We've already got a couple of people out there who've jumped in on it, so it kind of proves that this is a concept that's really been well accepted in the industry. As you can see here, we got
This is awesome.
these are our nitrogen plastic welders. We're waiting on a certain component to come in, but these are all ready to go. As soon as we get that component in, go out to our customers so they can start repairing more plastic parts.
Excellent. And you assembly in-house, everything, quality control is at your fingertips.
Yep.
You guys can make the best product.
Yep, made here right in the USA. We manufacture all of the, we assemble all of the components. We make our own plastic welding rods. For the most part, every plastic welding rod, and we make the world's largest variety of plastic welding rods. 22 different materials that we've got. Make it right here on this extrusion machine. I wish it was running right now to show you, but yeah, this thing, we take the pellets, the plastic, and we create the plastic welding rods from that.
So I got to run over here, quick. All right, so this is what he's talking about. Those are the pellets that they manufacture into the plastic welding rods for the different substrates. It's really, really cool. Everything is in-house. What impresses me the most about that is you have the ultimate control over the quality of everything. You know precisely exactly what you're selling.
Mm-hmm, exactly, yeah. So we've got not only plastic welders, but everything that a body shop would need to repair any plastic part on the car, including cleaners, adhesion promoters, primers, fillers, flexible fillers, and flexible primers, not just the stuff that you would get normally for metal work. This is actually designed for plastics.
Yeah. And the training to support that, which is huge. It's important. You can send somebody out into the field with a new gadget, a new toy, a nitrogen welder, and if they don't understand how to use it, they're not going to have an effective repair, and they're going to have a bad experience and not get it again. So you understand the importance of training with your products.
Exactly. You know, it's very important. In fact, when we first started selling the nitrogen welder, we didn't have the people to go out and provide that training. And a lot of those plastic welders sat in the corner of the shop collecting dust, and they got a bad impression about our products. So we really had to focus on the training after
Right. Well, as a technician, plastics are one of those anomalies that it's confusing at best, and you really have to have a fundamental knowledge of the substrate and the repair procedures in order to have success with it.
Yeah.
And it's one of those things in the body shop where it's a problem area.
Yep.
But
Yeah. But anyway, here's our warehouse where all of our raw materials are stored, ready for production. And we would come through this way. We've got our solvents, our resins, everything that we need to manufacture our fillers, and our primers are stored here. We've got the production facility here where we make the primers and the fillers and do the packaging, labeling. But like you said, Kevin, we manufacture just about everything that we sell.
yeah, that's very, very impressive, Kurt. This is cool.
Good deal. Well, I'm really glad you came and visited us today, Kevin. It's great to meet you finally and get you to introduce you to the rest of my plant here.
Well, it's not uncommon that I meet somebody that's as passionate about what they do as I am, and I think we've got common ground there.
There you go.
I appreciate your enthusiasm and honestly your expertise. So it's very cool. And coming down the road, we're going to be doing some really interesting stuff together. This meeting wasn't an accident. On top of that, they 101 bumper repair. The bumpers for Rocket Miata had some horrible things done to them, and these guys fixed them expertly. And we'll be talking about that on the Hands on Cars show too. So, listen, man, thank you.
You bet, Kevin. Great to see you, man.
Perfect.
Thank you.
See you guys later.